going on, everybody? Mel here, Dark Side of the Grill. Gonna be doing a little Dalstrong mail call right now, but guess what? I need you to hit subscribe before we do anything. Before we do anything, click subscribe, tell your grandmother about me, tell your aunt about me, your cousins in British Columbia, get them on there. Make sure they hit subscribe. Help a brother out. Come on, we're not doing this for free. We need some subscribe action. Thank you very much, and here we go. Dalstrong sent me a present in the mail. I hope you're as excited as I am for this. I've been messing with Dalstrong for like 2 years now. I blew a ton of cash on this stuff right when I started out. Amazing product. Absolutely amazing product. Cannot wait to see what this is, everybody. Oh, look at this. Oh my word. This is Mel-sized barbecue tools. I cannot stress to you how heavy these suckers. That's it. That's what we're rolling with right here. Dalstrong barbecue tools. These are heavy. Heavy gauge, one piece. Hey, get out of here. One piece, beautiful handles. Sorry, my daughter's messing around. Supposed to be playing with her Pokemons, but she's not. There you go, Dalstrong. Absolutely incredible. And then they sent me this little guy, which I have been waiting for quite a while. I don't know if you know this, but Mel, he likes his seafood. He likes his seafood, and guess what? Guess what we got here today? The Dalstrong oyster shucker. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? I cannot wait to crack into those bad boys with this beast. Dalstrong has been amazing to me. They've been an amazing product. That's right, thumbs up, everybody. Thumbs up. Dalstrong has been deadly. Deadly. Their knives take a lick and keep on ticking. I am always working out with that Dalstrong. Breaking bones, slicing briskets, doing whatever you can do. Dalstrong's awesome. Thank you very much for the epic mail call. Love you, everybody. Click subscribe.